Hi there, my name is Jorge Martinez and this is my enzyme video. Now inside a cell, enzymes start out as chains of amino acids. The ribosome, which is this red piece right here, puts those amino acids together one by one, sort of like a string. So as you can see, these are the amino acids going in one by one, and then they end up starting to come out basically like a string. Okay. Now these purple pieces represent the amino acids. As the ribosome links them up, the chain folds into a special 3D shape. And once it's folded, we'll just put these away. Once it's folded, as you'll see here, it combines and it becomes an enzyme. Enzymes are proteins that speed up chemical reactions without being used up. The shape of the enzyme comes from how the chain folded. Right here is the dent called the active site. That's where other molecules attach. And as you can see, it is these things right here. Now, we're going to look at what happens during a reaction. Okay. In a catabolic reaction, the enzyme helps break large molecules into smaller ones. This yellow piece right here is what's called a substrate. And it's the molecule that the enzyme works on. It fits right in the pocket like a key to a lock. And only the right substrate fits, which is why enzymes are specific. For example, it goes in and click. Now, we're going to look at see what happens during a reaction. In a catabolic reaction, the enzyme helps break a large molecule into smaller ones. The substrate connects to the enzyme like this, and then the bond in the middle breaks. Now, when this happens, it does release energy. Now, once those are there and the energy releases, it comes out as 2 with energy particles just leaving out, as you can see. And then you have still the enzyme ready to do some more work. Now, in an anabolic reaction, it's actually the opposite. The enzyme brings in 2 separate smaller molecules together, like so, and then energy actually flows inward as it needs it to be able to combine those 2 molecules and turn them into just one. And once that happens, we're right back to another molecule with the enzyme still in perfect space to be able to do it again. So as you can see, overall, enzymes control both kinds of reactions. Catabolic reactions break molecules apart and releases energy. Anabolic reactions build molecules and use up energy. Either way, enzymes make these processes faster and keep the cell running smoothly. And thank you for your time.